Harness the inspiration from Randy Pausch's The Last Lecture to create a positive impact. The Last Lecture, Lessons in Living by Randy Pausch and Jeffrey Zaslow. Disclaimer: in this video, the book is discussed and briefly described. It may include spoilers and is not meant to be a replacement for the original work. All rights of the original work belong to the author and the publisher. Please consider buying the original book. Randy Pausch, a professor at Carnegie Mellon University and an American educator, was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in 2006. This book is based on the inspiring lecture he gave in 2007, titled The Last Lecture: Really Achieving Your Childhood Dreams. Despite being given a terminal diagnosis, Pausch remained positive and continued to inspire others until his death in 2008. Throughout the book, Pausch emphasizes the importance of perseverance, hard work, and a positive attitude. He shares stories from his own life that illustrate these values, such as his childhood dream of becoming a Disney Imaginer and his struggles to get into graduate school. Pausch also discusses the concept of head fakes, which he defines as lessons that are disguised as something else. For example, he describes how playing football taught him about teamwork and how working on a virtual reality project taught him about time management and attention to detail. Pausch writes about how he chose to celebrate his birthday in 2007, just a few months after receiving his terminal diagnosis. Rather than dwelling on the fact that it might be his last birthday, Pausch decided to throw a huge party and invite all of his friends and family. He even hired a camel to give rides to the children in attendance. Pausch's positive attitude and determination to make the most of his time inspired those around him and helped him to manage his cancer diagnosis well psychologically. Despite the challenges he faced, he remained grateful for the time he had and focused on what really mattered to him, spending time with his loved ones and making a positive impact in the world. Insights: pursue your dreams with perseverance and a positive attitude. Continuously learn and seek new experiences. Make a positive impact on the world and express gratitude for the people and experiences in your life. Define success on your own terms and pursue your own goals. Believe in yourself and the power of teamwork to achieve common goals. Thanks for watching. I will drink the ocean, says the persevering soul, at my will mountains will crumble. Have that sort of energy, that sort of will. Work hard, and you will reach the goal. Swami Vivekananda.